We're at a critical point in our country's history. We're at a point where I believe that the Jamaica that we have come to know and love is at risk based on how this government is operating. And when we come out and talk, they have some persons that they're paying in social media. They have some media houses that are on their side. And they have some computer-generated things that we call bots that they're using. And it tries to change the perception of what is out there. But I can tell you, when I travel the length and breadth of Jamaica, the people of Jamaica are ready for the People's National Party. I sat in awe the other night and watched a conference, because I know most comrades don't watch Labour Right conference. But me have to watch so I know what I say. And so for my sins, I was watching and me hear the Prime Minister saying I'm ready to call the election yet. He might wait till he's sure saying I'm going to win before he call the election. And I said to myself, so but wait. We are 3 months away from an election. And the Prime Minister is going to say he's not ready to call the election yet, because he know wait. So what do you think we're going to stop work? We are going to stay on the ground. We're going to continue training our workers, organizing. So he can run, but he can hide, because whenever he calls that election, he's going to get a meeting. He must get a meeting. He has to get a meeting. 2020 was a fluke. 2020 because them call the election in a COVID and people will come out and all of them things. And they make that get to them head. So we are asking for a rematch. We want him to call the election because we are not going further with this level of corruption that is taking place in the country.